Big news for Nikon shooters. Nikon is stepping into the world of cinema lenses. According to NikonRumors.com, Nikon is officially working on more dedicated Nikkor Z Cine glass. That's right, Cine lenses designed specifically for Nikon Z mount. This could be a total game changer. Let's break down what this means for us filmmakers and photographers who dabble in video. Now, Nikon has been making some bold moves lately. We just saw the release of the Nikon ZR cinema camera, which signals that Nikon isn't just playing in the photography world anymore. They're going after serious filmmakers. They also dropped the 28 to 135mm f4PZ lens, which already had some cinema style features like power zoom. So naturally, what's the next step? Dedicated cinema lenses. And if the rumors are true, we're going to see a full lineup coming very soon. So, why should Nikon users even care? Well, first, no more relying on adapters to get cinema glass on your Z cameras. You'll finally have native Z mount Cine lenses, which means better performance, better ergonomics, and no more worrying about compatibility issues. Plus, having Nikon design Cine lenses in-house means we get consistency across the board. Matching color science, similar build, and lenses that are truly made for motion production. Imagine shooting your next short film or commercial with Nikon bodies and Nikkor cinema glass. It's about brand synergy, and that's powerful. Cinema lenses aren't just photo lenses with a new label. They're purpose-built for filmmaking. We're talking long focus throws so you can pull focus smoothly and accurately. Declicked aperture so you can adjust exposure mid-shot without those ugly jumps. Gearing that's designed for follow focus systems and matte boxes, making them perfect for serious rigs. And let's not forget durability. Cine lenses are built to last and deliver consistent performance under tough production environments. For Nikon shooters, that means less compromise when stepping into real filmmaking. Now here's where it gets exciting. Nikon entering the cinema lens market shakes things up. Canon has their Cine line, Sony has Cine Ultra, and Sigma has their own Cine series. But Nikon has been missing from that conversation. This move could put them right on the map with rental houses, production studios, and indie filmmakers. If Nikon prices this smartly, we might start seeing Nikon cameras and lenses on professional sets more often, standing shoulder to shoulder with the big players. Of course, the burning question is, how much will they cost? Cinema lenses are not cheap by any means. A good Cine Prime can run you anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 per lens, sometimes more. Will Nikon aim for that high-end market, or will they try to disrupt the space with more affordable options for indie filmmakers, something like Sure or Rokinon has? If Nikon can find that sweet spot offering pro-level Cine glass at a competitive price, they could absolutely dominate the mid-tier market. So to recap, Nikon is working on dedicated Nikkor Z cinema lenses. For Nikon users, this means native Cine glass with all the benefits: precise focus, declicked aperture, better rig integration, and consistency across the lens set. For the cinema world, it means Nikon stepping up to compete with the likes of Canon, Sony, and Sigma. But the real question is, would you invest in Nikon Cine lenses, or would you stick with adapting third-party options? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for more photography and filmmaking tutorials and news. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.